In a world where power and money go hand in hand, the series Succession introduces us to the Roy family, whose media empire is contested by ambitious siblings. In this video, we'll explore the key lessons of success and how to make money that we can learn from the characters in Succession. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. This way, you won't miss any content about achieving success and making money. First, strategy and planning. One of the main lessons from Succession is the importance of strategy and planning. Logan Roy, the patriarch, always thinks ahead, planning the next steps to maintain control of his empire. In business or personal life, having a clear plan is essential. Start by setting short-term and long-term goals, and then outline a path to achieve them. It doesn't matter if you're managing a large company or saving for a personal goal. The key is to be proactive. Another important lesson is flexibility. Even the best plan can encounter unexpected obstacles. Logan and his children show that the ability to adjust the course without losing focus is crucial. Be flexible, but never lose sight of your ultimate goal. Life is full of uncertainties, but those who are prepared for the unexpected will always have an advantage. Lastly, never underestimate the power of scenario analysis. Logan Roy often weighs different possible outcomes before making an important decision. Learn to evaluate the pros and cons of each choice and prepare for the consequences. This will help you make more informed decisions and avoid unpleasant surprises. Second, networking and alliances. Networking is fundamental to success, whether you are wealthy or not. In the series, the Roys demonstrate how building strategic alliances can strengthen their market position and help them overcome competitors. The lesson here is clear: invest in relationships. Connecting with the right people can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Whether at formal events or casual meetings, always be ready to make new connections. Moreover, it's important to cultivate these relationships over time. Networking is not just about meeting people, but keeping those relationships alive. Offer value before asking for something in return, and build a support network that can be helpful in times of need. Even for those just starting out, the support of a well-established network can make all the difference. Lastly, remember the importance of reciprocity. In the series, we see how the Roys exchange favors and use their connections to gain an advantage. In the real world, being a reliable resource for others can ensure that you also receive support when needed. Success is rarely achieved alone. It is built with the help of others. Third, resilience and adaptation. In business and in life, resilience is an indispensable trait. Succession shows how the characters face crises and adapt to survive and thrive. Like Logan Roy, it's crucial not to be discouraged by obstacles. When facing challenges, we need to see opportunities where others see problems. The ability to recover quickly from setbacks is what separates those who succeed from those who fail. Furthermore, adaptation is a skill that must be continuously cultivated. The market, personal circumstances, and even the global economy are constantly changing. Being able to adjust quickly to new realities is a huge competitive advantage. If something isn't working, change your approach, revise your strategy, and keep moving forward. Resilience also means being prepared for the long haul. Often, success is not immediate, but is the result of persistence and consistency. Keep working towards your goals, even when results seem distant. Remember that every small step is progress toward your greater goal. Fourth, leadership and decision-making. Effective leadership and the ability to make quick and assertive decisions are essential for success. In Succession, the Roys demonstrate different leadership styles, from Logan's centralized authority to his children's more collaborative approaches. Whatever style you adopt, the important thing is to be decisive and clear in your intentions. Leaders who hesitate or show uncertainty often lose the trust of their teams and partners. A crucial trait of a good leader is the ability to delegate. Knowing when and how to trust others to carry out important tasks not only lightens the leader's load, but also strengthens the team as a whole. In the series, we see how delegation can be a powerful tool when used correctly. Moreover, the ability to make tough decisions in critical moments defines great leaders. Often, it is necessary to make choices that may not be popular, but are essential for the greater good. Learn to weigh the risks and benefits of each decision and be prepared to face the consequences with firmness and responsibility. Fifth, crisis management. Managing crises effectively can determine the fate of a business or even a life. In Succession, the Roys frequently face high-pressure situations that require quick and effective decisions. The lesson here is that when chaos arises, maintaining calm and clear thinking is essential. Instead of panicking, focus on assessing the situation objectively and taking steps to minimize damage. Another important point is preparation. Crises will inevitably happen, and being prepared can make all the difference. Establish contingency plans for the most critical areas of your life or business. This not only reduces the impact of unexpected crises, but also allows for a quicker recovery. Finally, communication during a crisis is key. In Succession, how the characters communicate during moments of tension often determines the success or failure of their actions. Ensure that everyone involved understands clearly the decisions made and the steps to follow. Transparency and clarity can prevent misunderstandings and ensure that everyone is aligned in solving the problem. Conclusion: through the complex dynamics of the Roy family, Succession not only offers a fascinating portrait of power and money, but also teaches valuable lessons on how to apply successful strategies in our own lives. From the importance of a robust strategic plan to the ability to adapt and overcome crises, the Roys demonstrate that success does not come by chance. Every decision, every move, and every relationship built has a profound impact on the path to wealth and power. These lessons are applicable regardless of where you are on your financial journey. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a professional seeking growth, or someone looking to improve your personal financial situation, adopting these strategies can make a significant difference. Remember that the key to success is a combination of strategic vision, resilience, and the ability to build and maintain important alliances. With the insights from Succession, you can transform challenges into opportunities and approach the market with a more informed and assertive mindset. Keep seeking knowledge, apply these lessons, and watch how your trajectory may change. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share. Until next time, may your ideas become great achievements.